Today in this video, let's see if we can figure out if these two strings are anagrams of each other and then code it accordingly. The first condition that we have to check is to see if these two strings are of equal length. Let's count for the first string array or the character array. Let's check how many characters are there. 3, 4, 5, and 6. And for the second character array, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the first character array is of length 7, so is the second character array. So 7 equals 7, so the first condition matched. And then the next condition, B, to check the different characters that are present in the first array and number of occurrences that they have. Let's check that. So the second condition, let's say there is an A with an occurred once, an N that has occurred once, and an A that has occurred again, so 2 times, a G once, an R once, an A again, an M, that's the first occurrence. So now that we got all the occurrences in the first character array, let's check for the second one. Now we have an N in the second character array. Let's cancel this N out, and an A here, let's cancel one A from here, and then we have a G, let's cancel this G, an A here, let's cancel this A, we have an R here, let's cancel this R, we have an A, let's cancel this A, and we have an M, let's cancel this M. Now let's see, did we cancel all of the arrays, or are we seeing the same occurrences? Yes, I believe so. So everything cancelled out perfectly. So we have the same number of arrays, same number of characters, and then we have the same type of characters as well. So we could say these two are anagrams. So the third thing we were going to check is it's true. They are both anagrams. Now next, let's see how do we code this and have the loops and everything ready. Let's use a dictionary, that is a dictionary with a character and an int, with the character being the key and the int being the value. Here we can store the character and the number of occurrences. Here's the first condition that we have checked. We are checking the first string length is equal to the second string or the character array length. And next, we are having this for loop here to check and see the first arrays or the first character arrays occurrences. So we have int I that is looping for the length of the first array, and then we are checking if the dictionary already contains the key, that is the first character in the first array, and if it does not, we are adding it, and if it does, then we are just incrementing the value. And next we are doing the same thing with the second loop. We have here a for loop that iterates through the second character array, and here we are checking if the dictionary contains the key and then decrementing the value. And here, if the dictionary does not contain the key, it means that it is not an anagram and we are returning false. And the next thing we are doing here, as we have done over here, we have cancelled out in the second In the second step, at the end of the second step, we have cancelled out after checking each and everything is exists in the first and the second character array, and then we are returning true if everything cancelled out. That is, we are checking, this is a link query, we are checking here if all the values are 0 and then returning true if they are, and if not, we are returning false. And this is how we check if the given two character arrays are anagrams. We could simply convert, if they are giving a string, we could simply convert them into a character array. Thank you.